Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a page in my composition art journal. So this is a page that I prepped before. It has just a lot of paint and I used some scrapbooking paper and I wanted to explore a red and black theme. So here I'm just painting out a black floral. I got this idea from Alyssa Burke. Her Patreon, she does a free long, it's like an hour video kind of tutorial, and she painted a large flower. Mine looks completely different from hers, but I was definitely inspired by her. But it's really fun, and I just kind of did a flower from my imagination. So you'll see it kind of looks like maybe a cornflower. That's the way that it looks, and I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna doodle inside of it. So you just grab some black paint. I think this is apple barrel paint from Plaid, and yeah, it's nice and fluidy, and then you just let it dry completely and you can use your white pen just to go over the top of it. So it's a very simple tutorial, and you'll see that I'm going to add some words and I'm going to add a little bit of mark making and some drips, but I really love to have these kind of pages prepped just with maybe a couple simple colors that I can come back to and play with. So I just wrote forever, and then you'll see that I'm going to get some washi tape and a word and just add it there. So I hope that you enjoy the process. I'm going to stop talking and let you check out the video, and I will see you next time. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.